Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Now guys, just a few comments on the gold market. As you can see, it's really not significant changes we see on the gold market. Previously we discussed the gold market as the sideways consolidation. Now you could see that we also could draw it as there's some sort of the flag pattern, because on the weekly chart we see the side by side the grabbers that have been formed there in recent weeks. But mostly we could say that market stands tight with no direction, because investors just need some significant push for the markets from some statistics or some event that could clarify the situation. Until this will happen, probably investors will stand flat, and we see the same situation in the commitment of traders reports, where no positions are opening right now, not on the long side, on the short side mostly. Recently has been opened just the commercial positions, the hedgers positions, but this is also important. Right now we just need to see whether this story will get the continuation, and speculators also will join this tendency or not. But right now, as you can see, nothing really has happened. Market has formed the next grabber here, but really action is just really overlapping candles and deep retracements, pullbacks, just messy action here. It's definitely not some direction. So in fact this is just choppy action inside of this consolidation. Market continued to stand below the monthly pivot point. We'll see. Maybe today's statistics from the European Union on the gross domestic product release, maybe retail sales in the United States, will be able to push gold market in some direction. On the 4-hour time frame chart, guys, market still at the same area that we have discussed. So we can see this high wave pattern still holds direction. You can see yesterday the market wasn't able to pass through it to the downside, turned to the upside. Right now it's reached the opposite border of this consolidation. So let's see what will happen here. Right now the challenges are not really impressive. As you can see, market trying to move above it and piercing this top of this pattern of this high wave, Friday's high wave on the perform on last week, but still has no power to pass through it. And also guys, that's also the monthly pivot point. It's right here. You can see it stands right at the upper border of this high wave pattern, so that brings additional resistance here. I have marked this consolidation with this rectangle. So usually when the market forms the consolidation right below the important resistance, it usually leads the sign that probably works as the sign that market is preparing for the breakout. But here guys, I'm not sure. It's really a lot of long candles to the upside. As you can see, market is struggling with this resistance but can't move through it yet. Whether it will happen later in the day, we'll see. Maybe statistics will be able to push market in one or other direction. But shortly speaking, if market will take it out of this top, in the short-term perspective, we could see the further upward continuation, and this butterfly probably will be destroyed, and market in this case will move above this top, and maybe even market could move even above this top and return right back down to this resistance as market stands previously. It's around 12.15 area, the major resistance. That really could happen, because even on daily time frame chart you can see lower border, upper border, again lower, then again upper, lower, and right now it's moving to the upper border. Is also seems logical. So anyway, currently guys, I do not see what we could do here. We do not have any clear patterns where we would like to take any positions. I don't see any setups right now for trading on the gold market. In fact, we need to for the big clarification with the direction, because moving below will open the road right to the lows, 1130, 1140, and even lower. The breakout for the 12-15 area probably will lead to the further upward continuation of the gold market. But for that action, gold demands really significant events, really significant data, some news or something of that sort. Because just some small fluctuation and ordinary statistics that comes on the schedule week by week probably will not be able to push market in one or other side. So let's see what will happen today, whether the market will break through this high wave pattern range or not.